let's move on now to the letter of the day, Joseph, which is Final Fay. In the last couple of lessons, we learned the pay and the fay. Now we're learning the final fay. A final letter, and there are about 5 of them, I believe, only occur at the end of Hebrew words. So today we're practicing a final letter, and in order to help us pronounce, we combine the final letter with an aleph. And then it's just a matter of becoming familiar with the various vowels in order to know how to pronounce. But most typically, the vowel sound will precede the final letter, in this case, the final fay. And Joseph, I think you're up to the task of reciting now for us with the final fay and its vowels, kindly.
Yes. Af.
Good.
Of.
Uh-huh.
Oof.
Good.
If.
Right.
If.
Well done. We can now proceed with some drill to solidify our understanding of the pronunciation of the final fay. I need to bring that up into the meeting, but while we're here, just to refresh our memory, this is the fay, and the fay is the F sound at the beginning or in the middle of a word, such as fa, 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 fi. But bear with me, I'll bring up the final fay drill for us. This is our reading practice for the final fay. Joseph, again, if you would lead us. Maria, if you would like to repeat after Joseph, and we'll recite after Joseph. Go ahead, Joseph. Off.
If.
Eighth.
If.
Af.
Off.
Off.
Nice.
If.
Eth.
If.
Good job. Let's continue on.
Of.
Oath.
Oath.
And by the way, oath is a Hebrew word for bird.
Bad.
Yep.
In English, it means to shut down.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes. If.
Eth.
If.
Of.
Oath.
Oath.
Af.
Off.
Off.
Good. Next line.
Oof.
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 Nice.
Af.
Off.
Off.
Oof.
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 Off.
Oath.
Oath.
Nice job. Continuing kindly.
If.
Eighth.
Eighth.
Of.
Oath.
Oath.
If.
Eighth.
Eighth.
Oof.
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 One more line, please.
if,
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 oof,
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 if,
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 if.
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 Nice job. That was some nice reciting, some nice Hebrew pronunciation. Really very smooth work, both of you. Congratulations.
Thank
We
you.
have a worksheet which gives us additional reading practice. I don't think it will take us all the way, Joseph, to Final Fay, but
Yes.
it does include some of the later letters that we've learned, and I think you'll find this challenging but doable. Why don't we start with line 10? Give some reading practice a try, brother.
Line 10.
Correct.
Here. Oh, I read the word, sorry.
Right.
Heikal.
Very good. It's actually a chaf, not a kaf. So
Oh,
it's
yes.
heichal.
Heikal.
Right. Nice. Continue.
Agohel.
Ochel.
Yes.
Ochel.
Oh, sorry.
Right.
Ohel.
Nice. That means food.
I
Ochel. Ochel.
separated
That means,
the verb
I see. Uh-huh.
and anyway, sorry.
This is the word for food, chakula. Ochel, not chakula.
Ohel.
Ochel ni chakula.
Yes. The third one.
Yeah.
Heikal.
Right. And I think you'll enjoy knowing that the meaning of this word is the holy temple in Jerusalem.
Yes.
The Heichal was the courtyard before you entered into the holiest part of the temple. This
Yes.
is where the priests would prepare themselves before they went in to worship in the holiest part of the temple. It's called the Heichal. So that's a part of the holy temple in Jerusalem.
The Heikal.
Yeah, the Heichal. I think there might be somebody joining us. One moment, please.
What does we call Heikal in English?
Inner sanctum. Let me see. I think somebody's trying to join us. Oh, okay.
I think you could invite them with email so that they can just join without asking permission.
Right.
Yes.
Karibu Moses.
Asante.
Uhaligani Leo.
Mzuri.
Thank you for joining us. It's a pleasure to see you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Let's continue with our learning. I think I've got a better translation for Heichal than inner sanctum. I think you could call it the inner courtyard. I'll show you some information later that you'll enjoy about the different areas in the temple and their names. For now, let's move on to line 11, if we could.
Line 11.
Right.
I can see the second letter is new.
This one is a letter that we learned. This is the tet.
Oh, yes. Tatol.
So the
Huh?
first letter is our lamed,
Latol.
and the vowel underneath is the chirik.
Oh, yes, sorry.
That's fine. It's a lot to
Little.
perfect. Litol. It means to take. The next word uses the shva. So this is a good example, Maria and Moses, of a new vowel that we haven't seen before. Moses, we're on line 11, the second word. Of course, we go from right to left, Sawa.
Litala.
So we would pause on the shva. We'd go lit, la, lit, la.
Litla.
Perfect, beautiful. The third word, kindly.
Lide.
Perfect, lide. It means literally at the hand of, but we would translate it as by means of. In other words, I went to class by means of a horse today, or I went to class by means of a car today. Lide. Next word, please.
Lahe.
So in this case, we have a shva inside of our chaf sofit, Joseph. So
Oh,
that means that we end with the ch sound. It would be lach,
lach.
right? And that means to you or for you for a woman. Like I give to Maria a present, I would ani notain lach. I give to her matana, a present. The next word, kindly. You'll notice that the next word has a kamatz inside of the final chaf, so it is pronounced slightly differently, and I think you know the answer.
Lcha.
Exactly, and that means to you. So if I gave Moses a gift of a new car, it would be ani notain lecha gari impia. I give to you, Moses, as a masculine form, to you, lecha. The last word, please.
Elecha.
Beautiful, elecha. It means unto you. Very nice.
So I could see
We're
that.
going, yes, please. What do you notice?
I could see that lahe and lha both means the
Lach.
same thing, but
Right,
it
right.
has difference in gender.
Correct.
Yes.
As far as I know, in Kiswahili, we don't concern ourselves with differences in gender.
Yes.
So, habari yako is always habari yako, whether you're asking a boy or a girl.
Yes.
But in Hebrew, we would say mashlomach or mashlomech for a woman, how are you, to a woman, and we'd say mashlomcha, how are you, to a man. So there has to be a conjugation recognizing gender. So it's an additional challenge in the Hebrew language, but not unique to Hebrew. There are many languages where we have to concern ourselves with gender in the conjugations. Nice reading, nice job, well done.